Hello friends, in this video I show you how can you making like this video use mobile. First friends, you open Play Store or App Store and download this app Travel Boost. So when friends you open this app, this interface open ready. So friends, click here and you writing here start point. So start point I writing here Red Hill MRT station. And here have endpoint, writing here endpoint. And endpoint I writing here Novena MRT station. And you see here, so this line if you long press you can move anywhere. Click here. So you see here downside friends, you can make this vehicle big or small, and you can make also speed low and higher. If you long press this point, so you can change friends here aeroplane, car, boat. So now I select ready aeroplane. Click here start point. So start point I writing here New Delhi, end point I writing Changi Airport. You see here downside, click here. So here friends, you see upside, this one have all free. Then you see here downside, so if you subscribe then you can use this all. Subscribe 1 month $5.98, and if you want to subscribe 1 year $31.98. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.